Hello everyone. Welcome today on Sunday. Yes, Sunday. We don't receive any newspaper on Sunday, so yesterday was Saturday, July the 31st, 2021. So normally I continue with the rest of the puzzles of Saturday, but in the daily newspaper of Saturday there were no extra puzzles. So yesterday I've continued the rest of the puzzle of Friday, and today on Sunday I will continue with the rest of the puzzles of Thursday, July the 29th, 2021. We have three puzzles left: one star, the two stars, and a binary. Yes, three puzzles need to solve for Sunday. And the first one is a Sudoku with one star. This will be number 3180. Yes, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. And for one star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Alright. How about the number? Let me see. Interesting. How about the number? Well, let me use the number. We have here four missing numbers in this big square. Two of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 6. We have a 6 and a 3 in this column. So no 6 and a 3 in these two boxes. The 6 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. Let me mark those two boxes, 6 and a 3. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, and the 4. 2 and the 4 are missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Okay, so we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Okay. I cannot continue with the 2. How about the 6 in this column? 6 in one of those two boxes in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6, there's 6. Should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, or there. We see there 7, we see there 7. So no 7s in those two boxes. So one box left for the 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 7. Alright. Alright. How about the number? 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 1. We see here 101 in these two boxes. There 101 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 1. Let me see which number I can pick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing in this big square. 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 5 and a 9. 5 and a 9 in this big square. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright, one number left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. Alright, 2 numbers left in this column. Here we have 6 and a 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5. Let me mark those two boxes. 4 and a 5. 9, 2, 3. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So the row between, so no, the row below, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. Here we have 4 and a 5. The other pair should be the numbers 2 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, so we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 5 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 5 and a 9 in this row. 5 and a 9 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 5 and the 9 should be in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3 is missing. Alright, 1 number left in the last row. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, and a 6. 3 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, how about those 2 numbers in this column? 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 and a 6. 3 and a 6. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 6. Alright. Okay. Then. How about the 8 in this column, 8 in that column? So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 8. Alright. Alright. Okay. Then. How about the 2? The 2s are already filled in, yes. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 2. Okay. Two numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 and the 5 are missing. 4 and a 5. Let me mark those two boxes. Here we have a pair, 4 and a 5. So here in this column, two numbers are left. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 6 is missing. 7, 8 and a 9. 6 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 6 goes there. So we have two numbers. Wait. 4 in this row. 4 in the middle row. So the row above. The only place for the 4 should be there. One number left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. Then two numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4 and a 5. 1 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see this is number 4, number 1. 1 number left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. Alright, now we have a 9 there. So this box can be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 5. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 4. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 4. Alright. One number left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 6 is missing. One box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3. 3 is missing. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 6. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2 is missing, 3 and a 4. 2 and a 4, we see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow, faster than 50 minutes, correct. So I'm very pleased with the time. But I've made a mistake, I see here. Double 2 cannot be a 2 and a 4. It should be the 4 and the 9. 4 and the 9. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Wow. Made a mistake. 4, 4, 4. Yes, finish in 30 minutes then. Still faster than 50 minutes. And yeah, the last error, I need to make a double check. So thank you again for watching. If you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. And I will see you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku, a 2-star Sudoku it will be. See you then. Bye bye for now.